folks, it's Cliff, Kissy Boy Smith, coming to you with a video on the next project that I'm going to at least be starting on. And as you know me from the past, I can start on something and have all intents of following it through from start to finish, but my promise at this point is that I'm starting a new project here, and I've got some good ideas for it. I'm actually starting here with the MPC 77 to 78, or either one of those, Dodge Monaco Joker Goon getaway car slash Gotham City police patrol car. I've actually had several of these kits in the past. The first time I've seen this kit, my brother got it from Bradley's, was the TJ Hooker car, if you remember that car from, I think it was in the late 70s, early 80s TV show with William Shatner as a cop. But anyway, this is going to be my next project, and I've been working pretty hard on it the last couple of days. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, especially Facebook, I've dedicated a new album to this build. But rather than drone on and on, I'll just go ahead and show you what I got so far. Right, so this is the kit that's donating all its soul for this project. So the combination is going to be the AMT 71 Dodge Charger with the MPC Monaco kit. So this kit's going to give, it's already given, it's a 440 transmission, the complete underpan, suspension, and drive line. And if you can see in the background here, I've started skimming some stuff off the body. In the background you see another 71 Charger. It's supposed to be based on the Wheels of Terror movie car from the USA movie in 1990. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and pan the camera over to the right and show you what I've got so far. It's just loosely mocked up and displayed, but hopefully it's going to be a little higher, I'm thinking, in terms of stance, but I'll show you what I got here. And that is where I'm going so far. I think it looks pretty decent. I mean, it probably doesn't look too much different than the stock kit itself, but about two or 3 days, I think, worth of work has gone into this so far. I just want to make sure that everything is lined up and that there's not going to be any weird, misalignments with the wheels. So the wheels too far forward, too far back, or kind of wibbly wobbly and stupid looking. But one of the things that I'm struggling with, well, I don't say I'm struggling with, but I'm just trying to wrap my brain around. I cut the inner fenders and the firewall and everything out of the 71 Charger kit. In fact, like I said, here's the body that I skimmed that off of. So everything's clean here. I'm trying to leave it so that this body may be usable for anyone else who might want to have it, or for a future build. Who knows? If anybody needs a Charger body minus the fenders, then maybe a good donor for them. But either way, last night I went and I put together the 440 here, which I'm not exactly sure what a 440 in Monaco looked like back in those days, but I think this looks pretty good. I mean, it's got this motor comes with carburetor, air cleaner. Carburetor looks pretty decent from what I could tell, but also it's AC, so I would think that AC might be part of a comfortable undercover police car. I don't really know for sure how I'm going to go with this in terms of color, but I did place an order Sunday. Fireball Modelworks, just waiting for them to get back to me and make sure the order was fulfilled properly. But these steelers are just fillers, so I can get an idea of what it'll look like. These are Fireball Modelworks tires, which I'm thinking that I will use these tires. But they're the BF Goodrich TAs in the front, and the Nitto drag racing slicks, or drag racing radials, I should say, in the back. I'm thinking I'm going to go with those. Got 2 sets of each of these tires rather when I started Getaway Impala. But I think it's shaping up pretty decent. I think this wouldn't be a bad stance, but it needs to be a little bit higher. It doesn't have any of the suspension on it as yet. It's just kind of sitting on some tires to mock it up. I spent a lot of time, you can see the wheel loosely in there. I spent a lot of time trying to get the cowl here so that the hood might be able to fit a little better. I don't know if all these kits are like this, but before I started working on it, this cowl here had a lot more of a hump to it. I tried sanding it and it still didn't work, so I took my hot knife to it and I cut a section out and push it down, and then do some Zap-A-Gap or Extreme Power Hobby Lobby glue with an accelerant and tried to get it to go a little flatter. And I've been still working with that to try and get it so the hood fits a little flatter. I think it's pretty decent so far. I'll try it on right here, right on camera, live, and see if I can get it. See if I can get it on there here for you so you can see it. Boom, nailed it. All right. So anyway, this is what I'm working on. I just wanted to do a quick video and show it to you. If you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and so on and so forth, you've probably already seen me progressing on it. But my goal is to just make a nice little undercover cop car, or or an ex-cop car, a villain car that kind of like you see on Dukes of Hazzard. It looks like an old police car, but the bad guys are dusting around it with the diamonds on the dashboard and junk like that. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video, and hopefully more will be coming soon. As parts start to come in, it should be coming together fast. It shouldn't take me that long to at least start getting it so to at least be on suspension, so I can, like I said, under the hood, get the get it so the firewall it's a little more smooth, like there's no gaps around here, hopefully. So testing my skills this time, see what I can do with fabricating stuff. And I wanted to thank all you guys for tuning into my last video and all the love I got on that fantasy wagon. That was a fun car. That was like completely out of left field that I was even going to do that when my wife showed up with it, and I just laid into it from the second I got it until you guys saw it. So that was pretty fun. But anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in and for your comments and likes, even the dislikes, and constructive criticism and advice. But I'll throw up some pictures, hopefully, from my phone about what I've done to it so far. But I think it's shaping up pretty decent at the moment. And hopefully this one will be one for you to write home about. If it's not one for you to write home about, then I'll definitely say it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day, and get back to building.